Congress is closer to restoring the BAH back to 100%.
We know it is long overdue.
I spoke with Washington State Congresswoman Marilyn Strickland, who has been leading the effort to restore BAH in the House. This month, a measure to do just that passed a key House committee.
Restoring it to 100% is one way to put a couple $100s a month back into the pockets of families who are serving our country.
Schick says the move is critical to help military families who have to frequently move.
This just gives military families some more breathing room financially. These moves are just very expensive.
The next step in the process is for the full House to vote on the measure to restore the BAH to 100%. That vote could happen as soon as next month. In Washington, Samantha Manning, Channel 11 News.